Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mark Losh, CEO of the West Plains Chamber of Commerce. On August 23rd of 2021, I was given an opportunity to become your new CEO of the West Plains Chamber of Commerce, something I'm very proud of. With the impact of COVID, the previous 18 months, the West Plains Chamber was basically shut down through 2020 and 2021 because we could not hold events in the region. This presented a great opportunity to move the chamber in an entirely new direction, become community-focused, and really work to make the West Plains a great place to live and work. Connect, Engage, Grow became our vision and our mantra, and this began the transition from an event-driven chamber to an initiative-driven chamber. We had an entirely new operating system, a new website with community information, a robust member directory with local links for information from all of our cities, a community calendar where anyone can add events for their company, nonprofit, or local organization, as well as chamber events. Over the past 24 months, we've added 103 new member businesses. We stood up our new Economic Development Committee, the West Plains DIRT, Development Impact Roundtable, to help promote, educate, and develop new industry options in the West Plains. We also developed the West Plains Connectors, and ambassadors, if you meet, a group of member volunteers who help new members engage, connect, reach out to current members, and help at events to welcome and connect those attending. Initiative and community impact. The West Plains Safety Alliance, comprising of 25 business leaders, law enforcement, city officials, the Alliance has made significant strides in youth crime prevention, suicide prevention, strengthening families, and more. Over $5 million in grant requests have been submitted just this last spring to continue these initiatives. The City of Cheney New Community Pool. In collaboration with the City of Cheney, the West Plains helped tell the story of why a new outdoor aquatic center was of value to the city and its residents. The bond was successfully just passed this last month. The City of Airway Heights Fire Station Upgrade. Recognizing the growth needs of the Airway Heights Fire Department, the bond for a new fire station was passed, ensuring an expanded facility and adding 4 full-time firefighters. Safe communities will always be a focus of this chamber. West Plains Tag Transportation, a dedicated project addressing the transportation needs of the West Plains. This ensures safe movement of people, freight, and rail. After 2 years of work on this project, a report will be released this fall. Cheney Public Schools Long-Range Facility Planning, a comprehensive 6-month study to evaluate and address the district's future building and growth needs. The district is growing, and the community was asked to participate in this study and evaluation. A full recommendation was delivered to the Cheney School Board in June of just this last month. West Plains Community Engagement Series celebrated our communities, promoted small business, increased tourism, and educating on current events. 1 week in each year, each of our cities have an annual celebration. Cheney Mayfest, Medical Lake Founders Days, Airway Heights Days, Armed Forces Torchlight Parade, and Lilac Festival. The West Plains Chamber helped tell the story for each of these cities and promoted their week of events. Internship Roundtable, an initiative to connect students to local businesses for internships and work studies. This is a true regional collaboration, including GSI, the Greater Spokane Valley Chamber of Commerce, our local higher education institutions, and many regional businesses. The focus is simple: help create paths for students to jobs in our area. With all this wonderful news, we must address the tragic events of August 18th, the Gray Fire in Medical Lake and the Oregon Fire in Elk and surrounding areas. Amidst devastating loss for the region that has touched us all, there is a light at the end of this, a light of hope. The response from first responders, the community, and local agencies was tremendous, fast, and on point. Within hours, there began talk of standing up an emergency response team and location for a headquarters. The City of Medical Lake Mayor Terry Cooper, City Administrator Sonny Weathers were already working on how to rebuild and supply those in need, support the fire victims, and rebuild this region. Redemption Church answered the call instantly to be the physical location for the Emergency Response Team, ERT, headquarters, and provide a location for donations and supplies from the American Red Cross, the United Way, and many other agencies. This will be a long-term mission, and until all those affected are whole again. Reimagine Medical Lake will also be playing a major role in the recovery as well. They're already at work with the ERT and with the City of Medical Lake. Many of you have reached out to help support You're gathering donations, just asking, what can I do? I think the most important thing we do right now is be kind, be patient, and reach out to our neighbors. Be ready to be there for them. So many are working day and night to make sure this is a fast recovery and not let anyone fall through the gaps. You can find much of this information on our website, westplainschamber.org. As we look into the future and finish out 2023 and head into 2024, we will continue to work hard to support our local businesses, both in the West Plains and those in many members in the area of Spokane region as well. The focus on community safety, education, transportation, and other needs of our region will stay the forefront of our efforts. The West Plains region is growing, becoming a key player and influencer in Spokane County and the Inland Empire. Your West Plains Chamber is up to the task of leading into that great 2024 that's coming. I thank you all for your time. I hope to see you all soon.